Hi everyone, I am Maria Cristina Dulay. Me and my husband had been married for 11 years now. 5 years after our marriage, I was diagnosed with polycystic ovaries, myoma, endometriosis, and inverted uterus. 1 year afterward, my husband also had been diagnosed with multiple reproductive issues. So that's when the doctor concluded that it would be hard or difficult for us to conceive or have a baby. Year 2015, after our annual physical exam, I was also diagnosed with fatty liver, high cholesterol, slight heart enlargement, and even asthma. So I decided to look for products or supplements to improve my health. That's when God orchestrated me and my husband to come across October 2016. We started taking cleanse, cryptomonadales, and crypto coffee, although not consistently. Between November to December of last year, I offered PPAR jar to my friend because she had health issues. But then again, her doctor advised her not to take it, so I was the one who took the product, the PPAR jar. February this year, Sunday, our sister in church envisioned me when she read Hebrews 11:11 that I will have a baby boy. At first, I didn't believe, so when I went to the doctor, she asked me to take a pregnancy test. And lo and behold, it's a miracle. It's positive. I'm pregnant. So this year, September 22, 2017, just merely 2 months ago, I gave birth to a healthy baby boy, Isaac Gabriel. To God be the glory.